Beijing is likely to lend a helping hand as Hong Kong battles its fifth wave, according to a former hospital authority chief. This comes as an SAR delegation prepares for crucial talks with mainland officials. Maisie Mock reports.
Chief Secretary John Lee headed a high-level team that left for Shenzhen today on the eve of a meeting with mainland officials to discuss Hong Kong's Omicron crisis. The meeting comes amid scenes of people lining up for hours to get tested. Many complained that it took them 2 days to get the results. Former hospital authority chief Anthony Wu said the long time spent waiting in line is unfortunate, noting that there are limited testing centers in Hong Kong. Wu, who now heads a company providing testing services, said Beijing is expected to provide Hong Kong with whatever it needs to overcome the crisis.
I think Beijing is prepared to entertain whatever requests we make. So if you look at how do we fight the COVID, I think testing is one thing, and then how do we sort of quarantine or isolate those infected people? I think these are two major areas that we could seek help from the mainland.
The additional Fire Eye laboratory at the Ma On Shan Sports Center is scheduled to start operations on Tuesday to triple the city's daily testing capacity to 300,000. But Wu said that it's not enough unless there are more lab technicians to boost testing capacity tenfold.
On the basis that we may need to do about 3 to 4 million tests a day, and when we need to triple the Fire Eye labs, the 佛眼实验室, then we probably need 1,000 people from Beijing to help us to do testing in the laboratories.
The pro-establishment DAB, meanwhile, urged Chief Executive Carrie Lam to get help from Beijing. The party said the government should set up at least 3 more Fire Eye laboratories and deploy at least 1,000 people to test samples. The DAB also suggested building mobile hospitals to take care of patients as public hospitals are running out of space. Maisie Mock, HKIBC.